Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
In this 2-day session, we will first begin with the question hour. We will be having 77 starred questions and unstarred 325 questions. After that, we will be having the 0-hour mentions, around 5 or 6, tabled by the members of matters of urgent public importance. Then we'll be having obituary references of distinguished persons. Then we will be having congratulatory references as well. We'll be having calling attentions. We will be taking 2 per day. Then we'll be having assent to bills, papers to be laid on the table of the House. The Business Advisory Committee report will be presented. The supplementary demands for grants, second batch, will be also presented, and the connected appropriation bill also will be introduced, considered and passed. There will be one government bill, the Goa Preservation of Trees Amendment Bill 21.